Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the street lights that are going to be installed on this road. Now there you can see some holes in the barricade. That's where the street lights are going to go. Now JPS has announced that they'll start installing the street lights in 2 weeks. So by the end of November, the street lights should be put in. Now the entire stretch of the highway from Harborview to Yalos is going to get street lights. That is 28 kilometers, or is it 17? One of the two. Our roadway is going to get street lights. And you notice how close the holes are in some cases. So this is it's excellent that they're going to get street lights, because between Harborview and Yalos is probably going to be the busiest section of this road, because you have a lot of communities. So it will definitely help the people that live in this area and the people that use this road. So we of course will be out here in 2 weeks showing you the actual installation. We give you weekly updates on this project. And this entire section is to finish in December, which is 6 weeks. So putting in the street lights and the white lines, you know they're close to being completing the project. Now, it's good that they're putting in the street lights, but I really hope the people do not interfere with the street lights, because Palisades Strip, the road that takes you to the airport, the international airport in Jamaica, JPS in January of this year put in 17 street lights. And would you believe by August 15 out of the 17 were stolen? That's not good. Jamaica is progressing. There's a lot of progress. Government is trying. And for somebody to steal the street lights, I mean, it's terrible. But this road now is going to have far more than 17 street lights. I would say over 100 based on the holes that we see in these barricades. So it's very important that people don't interfere with them, because to replace 17 street lights is expensive and manageable, but to replace 100, it's a different story. So there you can see all the holes in the Jersey barrier, and that is to put in the street lights. And the street lights are very important because, I mean, at night it's so important to have the road properly lit. But we'll keep you guys updated, and it's the entire stretch of the highway from Harborview to Yalos that's getting the street lights. Not sure why they have traffic on only one side of the road, because the other side is finished. It's painted. I mean, once you paint the road in Jamaica, that's it. I don't see any reflectors on this road, but hopefully they'll put them in. The Maypen to Mandeville Highway recently opened. It has no street lights on it, but they have reflectors. So maybe with the street lights they don't need the reflectors. But this is going to be one of the first major highways in Jamaica to have street lights. The toll roads don't have street lights, only when you're approaching the toll plaza. Not sure why. Perhaps the cost of paying the electricity bill. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And remember, we will keep you updated on the installation of the street lights, and according to JPS it will be done within the next 2 weeks. Alright guys, have a good day. Enjoy the rest of the video.